Canva now allows you to upscale your video resolution or enhance your video quality up to 4K Ultra HD, and it's 100% free. Here is a quick sneak peek of what Canva's video upscaling tool can do. To enhance and upscale your video, head over to your Canva app. I'm doing this on my PC, but it works the same on your mobile device as well. This is a video of a cow eating grass. As you can see, the quality is as low as 360 pixels. We'll enhance it now. Here in Canva, let's just create a blank video project. Now, tap on the Apps icon from the panel in the left corner. Here, type in Upscale and search for it. You're going to have to look for this Video Upscaler tool and tap on it. Okay, before you upload your video, make sure that your video has a maximum resolution of 1920x 1080 pixels, is 6 seconds long, and is in MP4 format. You might wonder what to do with a 6-second video. If you're a creative content creator, it can be quite useful. You can make shorts and reels, trim longer videos into 6-second segments, and enhance them. Okay, to upscale your video, tap on Choose File. Select the video that you want to upscale. Now, toggle the Upscale Resolution switch. You can see that the current resolution of the video is 360 pixels. Now, you have 4 higher resolutions to choose from. Let's select the highest resolution, which is 4K Ultra HD. Now you have 3 options to choose from. General will improve the overall quality of the video. If you're not sure what type your video is, just select General and it will do the job fine. The Anime option preserves intricate details and vibrant colors, which is useful for vibrant videos. The Portrait option is best for videos with people, as it improves skin tones and facial features. For this video, I'm just going to select General, and then tap on Upscale Video. Okay, the upscaling process takes a while to finish enhance the video quality. Just be patient and wait until it is done. Okay, here it is. As you can see, the video quality has improved drastically. Tap on the Add to Design button to add it to the design. Once it's added, you can tweak it according to your preference. When you're done, you can download it easily. If you want to upscale a lengthy video for free, let me know in the comments and I will make a video. Please like, subscribe, and share.